Hello friends, in this video we are going to see numerical from pipe in series. So as per the given question, two identical pipes having same length, same diameter and same roughness are used to withdraw water from a reservoir. In the first case they are attached in series and discharge freely into the atmosphere. In the second case they are attached in parallel and also discharge freely into the atmosphere, neglecting all minor losses and assuming that the friction factor is same in both the cases. That means we have to consider only the major loss. The ratio of the discharge in parallel arrangement to that in the series arrangement round up to 2 decimal places. So this is a subjective question. You have to find the ratio of discharge in parallel to the series arrangement. Okay. So first of all, we'll draw the diagram and then we'll proceed actually. So two pipes are connected in series, same diameter, same length, same roughness. Okay. Let me draw the two diameter. Two pipe with the same diameter. This is pipe 1 connected with the pipe 2. Okay, so this is L is the length. L is the length of the pipe. D is the diameter. D is the diameter both the pipe, and F is the coefficient of friction. F is the coefficient of friction. So discharge is, let us say discharge to this pipe is QS. I'll write series. This is the flow direction and discharge is QS. I want to find head loss. What is the formula? HF equal to 4FL V square by D into 2G. This is the formula for head loss due to friction, that is major loss. Correct. So there are two pipes. So 4 will be constant. F is also same. Correct. L is also same. Diameter also same. 2G is also same. So and what is velocity discharged by area? So Q by A. Q is also same. Area is pi over D square. Everything is same. What is the change here? L. So for the two pipe you will be getting 4F into 2L QS square D to the power 5 2G into pi by 4 whole square. Okay, so how I am writing this step? 4F. So adding these two pipes is 2L and velocity is discharge by area. So discharge is QS, area is pi by 4 D square, right? So pi by 4 whole square and D square is D to the power 4 and 1 D is already there. So D to the power 5 into 2G. So if you want to write this equation, finally HF equal to, so you're getting 4 to the 8 FL US square by 2G into D to the power of 5 pi square into 16. This is equation 1. Let us say this is equation 1. Now case 2. When the pipe is connected in parallel. This is case 1. Now case 2. Parallel connection. So when the two pipes are in parallel. Okay, so what happened here? D is the diameter, L is the length, and F is the friction. Same L, D, and F. And this is your Q parallel. But you know that your Q will be divided QP by 2 because in the parallel connection discharge will be half. Correct. So how to find head loss? HF equal to, formula is same, 4FL V square by D into 2G. So here I will write 4FL. Correct. So V square QP square by d into 2g and qp. So v square is q by a, so I am writing simply a square, correct. So v square is q by a, but qp by 2. What is the discharge here? Velocity discharge by area. Discharge is here qp by 2. So 4 will come in the denominator. That's it. Okay. So your next step will be 4fl qp square by d into 2g into 4. Now area will expand 5 of 4 whole square into d to the power of 4. Correct. So finally we are getting, now I am writing here hf equal to 4fl qp square by 2g d to the power of 5 into pi square, and 4 4 just 16 and 4. So 4 16 cancel, so we are getting only 4. That 4 goes to the numerator, equation 2. Okay. So only thing is velocity is discharge by area, and discharge I have taken qp by 2. Correct. qp by 2 discharge I have taken. So qp square by 4 here and area here, right? Discharge by area. So this is discharge qp by square by 4 and area is here. And then again it's changing into pi of 4 d square. So finally we are getting, so this 4 4 just 16 and this 4 is here. So 4 4 gets cancelled. This 4 will go into the numerator. Now final step. So these are both are the head loss due to friction. So we can equate. So from 1 and 2 we can write. So first one is your, let us take the qp, because we have to find ratio of discharge in parallel to series, right? Parallel to series. So 4fl qp square by 2g d to the power 5 into pi square into 4 already there in the numerator equal to 8fl series 1 us square by 2g d to the power 5 pi square into 16. Correct. Now you can see what are things we can cancel. So 2g d to the power 5, this whole thing we can cancel. Correct. And you can also see 4 4 16 and this 16 gets cancelled, and fl also gets cancelled. So what we are getting, qp by us whole square equal to 8. Therefore qp by qs equal to root under of 8, which is equal to 2 root 2, which is equal to 2.828. That is the ratio and that is the answer. Okay, 2.828. So you can write here the answer equal to 2.828. Okay, no units. Thank you.